Good day, everyone. Welcome to Newton's Laws, the ultimate motion potion. I am your teacher, Jan Alfie Rindon, and today we're diving into the core principles that explain how everything around us moves. And for today's class, we will tackle about Newton's three laws of motion. So Sir Isaac Newton introduced three laws that form the foundation of classical mechanics. These laws explain how objects behave under various forces and how forces interact. His first law is the law of inertia. The second one is the law of force, mass, and acceleration. And the third one is the law of action and reaction. Now the question is, who was Isaac Newton? Well, Sir Isaac Newton worked in many areas of mathematics and physics. He developed the theories of gravitation in 1666 when he was only 23 years old in that time. In 1686, he presented his three laws of motion in the Principia Mathematica Philosophiae Naturalis. By developing his three laws of motion, Newton revolutionized science. Newton's laws, together with Kepler's laws, explained why planets move in elliptical orbits rather than in circles. Newton's first law of motion, inertia. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. This tendency to resist changes in a state of motion is inertia. If all the external forces cancel each other out, then there is no net force acting on the object. So if there is no net force acting on the object, then the object will maintain a constant velocity. Newton's second law of motion is force, mass, and acceleration. The second law shows that force is equal to mass times acceleration, or F is equal to ma. This means heavier objects need more force to move. Imagine pushing a small ball versus a heavy box. His second law defines a force to be equal to change in momentum, mass times velocity, per change in time. Momentum is defined to be the mass or the m of an object times its velocity v. Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction. His third law states that for every action or force in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So when you jump, your feet push on the ground pushes back, propelling you up. So if object A exerts a force on object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. In other words, forces result from interactions. I believe it's a wrap, and I hope you learn about something. The Newton's laws, the ultimate motion potion. Newton's laws are all around us, explaining how objects move, interact, and respond to forces. I hope this overview sparks your curiosity to explore more in the Newton's Olympics. Thank you for watching.